Don't scream out loud.
You're gonna get it. Won't be in the middle of a marvelous train. The crowd heard you. You were crying and shouting. You should stop thrashing around. You're not the crapper over.
Tree frog, do a somersault and you'll be as big as God.
There is no God anymore. No, this war's frightened him away for good.
God does too exist. Though I don't imagine he spends much time with those vultures in cassocks, the black sheep of Christ's flock.
Throw you coils of rainbow milk.
For you, I'm like a little goldfinch you hold in your hand. If you squeeze me, I'll suffocate. But if you stroke me, my breasts will swell up like the sails of a frail boat.
Are you honest?
My lord.
You're imagining things.
Everyone saw it.
How the fuck do you explain that?
Perhaps the prophet Elijah came to the prison to carry the book to heaven in his chariot of fire.
Chariots of fire. You mean the Saturn rocket?
When I was young, when I had a free moment, I used to look at your paintings and imagine myself surrounded by jasmine and cats while you painted me in the nude, perched on a ladder of navy blue ivory.
Do you like my paintings?
Oh, I love them. Crazy about them.
Close on! What'd you say when they got you?
I told him it's a waste of time torturing me. I won't tell you anything.
All that remains is to pass the sentence of death. I sentence him herewith to life imprisonment.
Isn't there any heating?
No. There's no heating in prisons in this country. In winter, convicts die like flies.
There is one particularly serious offense which demands the maximum penalty. You all know what that is. Assaulting a prison officer. Right now it is 20 degrees in here. Tonight it'll go down to 10, 15 degrees. Those of you who had the effrontery to talk back to the guard in charge of your block will be hung in the middle of the courtyard and left there overnight.
I will not die!
Still alive? This prisoner's got balls. I've never seen anything like it.
The time when they put handcuffs on the flowers.
Shut up about the flowers!
No. No! You knew I'd come back.
Yes, I knew. I knew as soon as the age of Pisces was past and we were into the age of Aquarius that you would come back to me, free and serene.
Do you love me?
I close my eyes and I see you as a radiant giant.
I knew that if you didn't come visit me over the last 20 years, it was only because you were saving yourself for me.
Got a terrible feeling. You're going away again, aren't you? What about me and the children?
You're always in my thoughts.
Every morning I wait for you to come back, and at night I never sleep on the left side of the bed. That's your place.
You are my hero.
Garroting is death by strangulation. The condemned man is seated in a chair, his neck in a collar. The collar is attached to a vice which goes through the back of the chair. A few turns on the vice forces it into the condemned man's neck and kills him.